Hello and welcome to this lesson, exploring the significance of an A value in PineScript. This lesson consists of following sections. First, I will explain what is an A value in PineScript is. After that, I will explain automatic casting of an A value. Then I will demonstrate how to explicitly declare the an A value. And after that, we're gonna review some function to test for an A value. And also after that, I will explain how to handle an A value in calculations and how to protect against an A instances. So let's begin. In PineScript, the term NA stands for not available, and it's like a placeholder for undefined values in your script. Let's dive into the world of an A and understand how it plays a crucial role in TradingView PineScript. So what is an A? An A is a special value used to represent undefined or not available data. It is similar to null in Java or none in Python. PineScript can automatically convert an A value to almost any type. Sometimes the compiler struggles to infer the type, leading to compiler errors. Let's study explicit declaration of an A value. To resolve errors, explicitly declare the type associated with the variable. Yes, you can assign an A value to a variable, but you need to explicitly define the type of this variable and then assign an A value to it. Another example is that you use the float function and pass in to that function an A parameter. It's gonna return float value, and that float value will be NA. Float type value, and that value will be equal to NA. So how to test for NA? To test for NA, you should use NA function. To check if value is NA, you use an A function. This function is going to return true whenever parameter of this function has an A value. So in this example, what's gonna happen is you pass the variable, my var, into an A function, and it's gonna return true if my var is an A value. So in this case, so if my var is NA, all this expression is going to return 0, otherwise close. You should avoid double equal operator if you want to try to compare variable with an A value. Do not use double equal operator to compare the value. Instead, use an A function. So let's review how to handle an A in calculations. It's a good practice to handle an A values to prevent undefined results in calculations. Like in this example. NZ function, in this case, takes two parameters. And if first parameter is NA, then it will return second parameter. So if clause 1 in square brackets is NA, this entire function NZ will return the second parameter, will return open price. If clause 1 in square bracket is not NA, it's going to return close and 1 within square brackets. Now, how to protect your script and for NA instances. You protect it with NZ function. NZ function can be used with one parameter. And if you use, like in this example, NZ with one parameter, and if parameter, in this case, all-time high variable, if it is NA, then it's gonna return 0 value. So in this case, you are protected. So you're not gonna use undefined value in this, within this math.max function. So in conclusion, understanding and handling NA values is crucial for robust PineScript development. Whether you're declaring variables, testing conditions, or performing calculations, being mindful of NA ensures your script behaves predictably and accurately. This is the end of the lesson, and I will see you in the next one.